Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this cornmeal recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I have my cornmeal. So this is like a grinded corn. So I added in water. So I'm gonna mix everything to combine properly. I found out that my bowl was a little bit small, so I had to transfer it into this bigger bowl. So I'll stir and set that aside. So in my pot I added in water and cinnamon stick, and I'm also grating in my nutmeg. So I'm gonna stir everything to combine together. Next, I'll transfer the mixture of the cornmeal with water into my pot, and I'm gonna stir this very well. You have to keep stirring to avoid it from burning till it thickens up. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So I have my final look here. You can go ahead to add in your sugar while it's still on the heat, but I did not add in sugar while it was on the heat. So I added in my sugar when I was done, and I added in milk, and I also added condensed milk. You can actually skip it if you want, that's optional. So I mix everything together, and this is what I got. I love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye-bye.